Let's learn farm animals and benefits. Cow gives milk, which can be used to make cheese, butter, and yogurt. Cows also provide beef and leather. Buffalo provides milk richer than cow's milk, used for dairy products, meat, and sometimes work. Bull is a strong male cow with big muscles. They help make baby cows and can be very protective. Goat gives milk, cheese, and meat. Their fur is used for making soft fabrics. Sheep, known for their wool, which is used in clothing. They also provide milk and meat. Dog works as a guard, helps in herding, and is a loyal companion on the farm. Duck offers eggs, meat, and feathers. Ducks also help control bugs and weeds. Goose provides meat, eggs, and feathers. They can also act as guard animals. Chicken gives eggs and meat. Chickens help control pests by eating insects. Pig, known for providing a variety of meats. Pigs also contribute to farm compost. Rabbit provides meat and fur. They reproduce quickly, offering a steady resource. Horse offers transportation, helps in fields, and provides companionship. Donkey, used for carrying loads, plowing fields, and as a means of transportation. Turkey, known for their meat, especially during festive seasons. Emu provides lean meat, oil for cosmetics, and large eggs. Honeybee, essential for pollination, increasing crop yields, and producing honey. Quail offers eggs and meat. Quail eggs are considered a delicacy. Each of these animals contributes uniquely to farm life and provides resources beneficial to humans.
Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to show some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel, Giggle Kids. Your support means the world to us.